Hello, today I'll be showing you how to change your extension names on your NEC SV9100 system. You will need the phone system's IP address, which you will type up in the address bar of your browser, the credentials of the user account you will be using. This will all be provided by our NEC Tech. This is the landing page you will receive once you enter the IP address in the address bar. As you can see, I have blacked out information just to protect my client because it is a live system. So once you enter your credentials, just hit the apply key there and it'll take you to the next page. So on the left here, you will see telephone setting. So on this page, you'll see everyone's extension. For the people that you can't see, you can go left and right with those blue arrows there. We will be using extension 102, just hit the spanner and hammer icon. In here, the first option is the station's name. Once you change it, you can hit apply, home and log out if that's all you wanted to do. Below that are the call forward settings for that station, among other options which we can go through later. Now for the email options, so up the top, click on InMail Station Mailbox options. Enter the person's email address in the right field. Now the box below that, to attach the email recording as a WAV file, that must be ticked. The email message attachment option. The last option down there, the email message save delete option, that has three options: no change, save and delete. So no change will email the new message as well as keep the new message on the extension so it lights up red. Save will not light the phone red but save the message in the old message box. And delete will of course delete the message if the email is successful. So once you've made all your changes, just make sure you hit apply. Down below you can also upload a WAV file for the recording of that mailbox. I'll be putting the audio format for the phone system in the description of the video. Hit home to get out. It is important to press log out once you're done, because if you do want to log back in right away, you won't be able to, because it'll say someone else is logged in because you've left that session open. So just remember to log out. This is the end of the video guide. Thank you for watching. I really hope it was useful. I hope I have earned a thumbs up from you. Thank you.